Classification of accounts. Meaning of accounts. An account is a systematic record of a transaction relating to a particular person, asset, liability, particular head of expenses, or income recorded at one place. In day-to-day business activity, large numbers of business transaction takes place. It affects the several accounts. At the end of a certain period of time, it is necessary for the businessman to balance the account to find out the information like total capital, total liabilities, and asset, total income and expenses, etc. of the business. Now let's see the classification of account. Account is classified in two types, personal account and impersonal account. Personal account represent a person or a group of a person with whom business deals. These accounts are further categorized into three types: natural personal account, artificial personal account, representative personal account. Now we will see natural personal account. Accounts relating to the individual human beings. For example, Radesh account, Sumit account, Sushma account, Weber account, etc. B1 Artificial personal account. Artificial person means including the accounts of organization, association which are created by the law. For example, Bank of Maharashtra account, ABC and Company account, Recreation Club account, etc. Now C1 Representative personal account. This account represent a certain person or the group of a person in business dealing. Accounts relating to outstanding and prepaid items are called representative personal account. For example, outstanding rent account, income received in advance account, prepaid wages account, etc. Impersonal account, which are of two type, real account and nominal account. Real account. This account represents assets and the property owned by the businessman. Following are the three types of real account. First one is tangible real account. Tangible real account means assets and properties which can be seen, touch and feel. For example, machinery account, motor car account, stock of goods account, etc. Another one is intangible real account. Intangible real account means an asset which cannot be seen, touch, feel, but they can be measured in terms of money. For example, goodwill account, patent account, trademark account, copyright account, etc. Nominal account. The accounts of expenses, losses, income, gain are called as a nominal account. For example, wages account, stationery account, salary account, depreciation account, commission received account, discount received account, etc. Debit means DR. Left hand side of the account is known as the debit side, whereas right hand side of account is known as credit side. Golden rules of debit and credit for different account. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all losses and expenses, credit all income and gain. Classify the following account into personal, real and nominal account. First one, stationery account, Mahesh account, machinery account, capital account, loss by fire account, Pune Municipal Corporation account, building account, Bank of Maharashtra account, copyright account, repairs account, laptop account, wages account. Now let's see the solution of it. Personal account, Mahesh account, capital, Pune Municipal Corporation account, Bank of Maharashtra account. Now real account, these are all properties, that means tangible as well as intangible assets will be included in real account. So the solution is machinery account, building account, copyright account, laptop account. Nominal account is an account which are fictitious in nature, which cannot be seen, touch or feel. So the solution is stationery account, loss by fire account, repairs account, wages account.